The 2026 Alpine A110 R Ultime represents the final and most extreme evolution of Alpine's modern A110 sports car lineage, blending lightweight engineering, sharpened aerodynamics, and race-bred handling into one thrilling package. With production of the A110 platform approaching its conclusion and Alpine preparing for an electric future, the A110 R Ultime becomes a symbolic farewell, crafted to celebrate agility, passion, and precision. Focused on purest driving pleasure rather than brute horsepower, this car reaffirms Alpine's philosophy that less weight and impeccable balance can outperform raw muscle in real-world and track conditions. At the heart of the A110 R Ultime lies a 1.8-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 300 horsepower. While this figure may seem modest next to modern supercar benchmarks, the magic is in the power-to-weight ratio. Alpine engineers have pushed intensive weight reduction to achieve roughly 1,082 kilograms. Every kilogram saved directly enhances acceleration, cornering performance, and braking consistency. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the A110 R Ultime delivers precise gear transitions, allowing power to flow smoothly through the rear wheels. Alpine promises a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.9 seconds, highlighting how clever tuning and low mass can outpace machines with larger engines. To complement its mechanical upgrades, the aerodynamics of the Ultime have received extensive attention. Aggressive body enhancements include carbon fiber front splitters, a sculpted rear diffuser, lightweight wheels, and aero-optimized brake cooling channels. A large rear wing not only adds visual drama but generates meaningful downforce at speed, pressing the chassis into the road and providing superior grip under heavy cornering. The combination of reduced weight and increased downforce sharpens responsiveness, giving drivers a sensation of connection usually found in race machines. On winding roads or track surfaces, every steering input translates instantly into chassis movement, creating a dynamic feedback loop that encourages confidence. The chassis tuning maintains the signature Alpine approach, compliant enough for real-world surfaces, yet track-ready when pushed hard. Alpine's engineers have adjusted suspension geometry, stiffened dampers, and lowered ride height compared to the standard A110. Custom Michelin performance tires wrap around ultralight wheels, designed to shed rotational mass and improve grip. The steering remains electrically assisted, but with quick ratio tuning to deliver razor-sharp inputs. All this results in a car that feels alive at moderate speeds and brilliantly controllable at higher limits, making it usable for daily drives yet thrilling in competitive scenarios. Visually, the A110 R Ultime stands apart with a combination of functional aggression and motorsport elegance. The exposed carbon fiber panels, visible on the hood, roof, and rear section, not only reduce weight but emphasize its performance pedigree. Darkened headlight surrounds, contrast stripes, and special badge markings give the model an exclusive identity. Even the wheels, sculpted from lightweight carbon fiber, feature aerodynamic shaping that directs air efficiently around the brake components. Alpine offers limited edition numbering on the bodywork, ensuring each unit is recognized as part of a collector's dream. Inside the cabin, the A110 R Ultime adopts a minimalist racing environment while preserving Alpine's refined ergonomics. Lightweight bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara offer supportive bolstering, keeping the driver steady under heavy G-forces. Racing harnesses can be fitted for track sessions, adding an extra layer of authenticity. A central digital display provides essential telemetry including lap time data, tire temperature monitoring, and G-force readings. Aluminum pedals, carbon inserts, and exposed stitching complete the motorsport feel. While stripped for weight, the cabin still includes strategic comforts such as navigation, smartphone connectivity, and climate control, ideal for those wanting versatility. One standout component in the Ultime is the titanium exhaust system, engineered to reduce back pressure and emphasize a sharper sound profile. On acceleration, the note resonates with a crisp, metallic tone, while downshifts evoke satisfying pops and crackles. This soundtrack heightens emotional engagement, reminding drivers that performance is not just measured by numbers but by sensory character. Safety remains a priority. Advanced braking systems featuring ventilated discs and multi-piston calipers offer remarkable fade resistance even under extreme conditions. Electronic stability programs are available but can be dialed back or disengaged to satisfy professional drivers who seek full control. The 2026 Alpine A110 R Ultime is intended to be produced in highly limited numbers, increasing exclusivity and desirability among enthusiasts and collectors. As Alpine transitions toward electric performance vehicles, this model stands as the spiritual peak of the combustion-powered A110 lineage. It embodies everything Alpine represents: lightweight philosophy, tailored handling, elegant yet aggressive styling, and a pure driving experience that prioritizes driver engagement above electronic assistance. On the road, the Ultime promises a level of communication rarely found in modern sports cars. Real-time feedback through the chassis keeps drivers engaged, while the aerodynamic balance ensures stability at high speed. On track, the car becomes sharper, allowing drivers to explore cornering limits confidently and consistently. In a market dominated by heavy horsepower wars, Alpine reminds the world that finesse still matters. The A110 R Ultime is not just a final send-off but a statement: performance should excite, challenge, and reward precision. Its rarity and performance heritage will make it a prized addition to any collection, and its driving dynamics will likely be remembered long after production ends. Ultimately, the 2026 Alpine A110 R Ultime stands as a celebration of internal combustion's artistry, an unforgettable farewell and a thrilling chapter in Alpine's history.